moral support. When statistics was going through its post period, I mean the COVID period, in which we lost two of our adult staff and the absence of which is an irreparable loss for us. We request sir to make a call when you feel our need and do pardon us. And do pardon us if any of our words has ever hurt your feelings. We pray, Lord Jagannath, to paint the canvas of post-retirement life of our shell with the most beautiful colors. And let there be shades of peace and happiness only. And let there be shades of peace and happiness only. I request our Rishnadev sir to speak a few words on this one.
You is going there from railway to Panpati, getting various service in various posts, in various zones, and lastly, in our accounts department as a BA one-time officer. He has served for more than 3 years. Thus, to me, he is a man of peace loving as well as litigation free mentality. He has performed works as well as look after the works of the district by establishing a good relation among the staff as well as officers of these two sections. He not only as a good officer in the railways, but also as a good human being. I got his full cooperation during his tenure as PM. It has helped me a lot in the working of this branch by soliciting his views. Though our opinions did not differ in the decision-making process, but his presence will always be remembered in this branch. Though his physical fitness is not so good, he is suffering from some diseases and taking medicines regularly. But he is still looking very smart, young and energetic. He has no burdens, liabilities. I hope he is happy, healthy, peaceful post-retirement life. He has given the railways many things, and railways in turn has to give him in return something, which I have already told to my PFA during the farewell meeting organized by the accounts department, general accounts. That ARC will come forward to give him help within the ambit of railway rules and regulations. If he requires any help during his post-retirement life, be it an official or otherwise. With these few words, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Hotel sir, dear friends, really sir, it was our blessings to be with you. ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଶାନ୍ତ ପ୍ରିୟ ଆଉ ଏତେ ଆମକୁ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ ମାନେ ବିୟଣ୍ଡ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବିୟଣ୍ଡ ଇମାଜିନେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏ ପର୍ସନ୍। So in my 24 years of service, you are the first person who is completely adorable. ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକମତ ହେବେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଳି ଆମେ କେବଳ ଲୋକ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ। ଆମେ ଏତିକି ଆଶା କରିବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଖୁସିରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ, ଯେମିତି ଅଛି ସେମିତି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଟିକେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଉଥିବେ ସାର୍, ଫୋନ୍ କରିଥିବେ, ଆଜି କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବେ ସାର୍। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।
I would like to request KG Rao, Chief Commercial
माननीय राउत सर जी, माननीय बच्चा जी सर और मेरे बाकी भाई और बहनों, ये हमारी सौभाग्य है कि आपके साथ हमने 2019 से समय बिताए, आपके पास काम किए हैं। मैं तो काम नहीं किया हूँ, मगर सामने देखता हूँ, रोज़ 4 बार 5 बार देखता हूँ और सबसे सुनता हूँ। तो मैं आपके विषय में सबसे मिलजुल करके कुछ ऐसा लिखा हूँ आपके बारे में, तो मैं पढ़ के सुना लेता हूँ आपको। काम किए हैं बहुत सारे अधिकारियों के अधीन अपने कार्यकाल में, देखे हैं अनुभव किए हैं उन सब की अलग अलग रवैयों को। कहना यह है कि सभी इंसान एक जैसे नहीं होते, क्योंकि बनाता है ऊपर वाला ऐसे ही। हमें ही अनुसरण करना पड़ता है उनकी तौर तरीकों को। मगर श्री राउत सर जी से हमें एक अलग ही अनुभव मिली इन चंद सालों में। श्री राउत सर जी हैं बड़े शांत एवं सुशील स्वभाव के। श्री राउत सर जी रहते हैं बड़े ध्यानमग्न एवं सदा सुचारू ढंग से किए हैं बर्ताव सभी से। उनकी बात करने व काम करने की शैली बहुत प्रभावशाली एवं लोकप्रिय है। जो भी कर्मचारी हो उनकी बोली से प्रभावित एवं प्रसन्न होकर हर काम को यूं ही निपटा देता है। उनकी बोली की मधुरता कहिए या वाणी की सहृदयता कहिए या कुछ भी कहिए, श्री राउत सर जी में और उनकी व्यवहार में हमें एक बड़े भाई साहब की आदर एवं प्रेरणा मिली। हमेशा शामिल होते थे, हर परिस्थितियों में हमारे संग देते थे, अनुभवी सलाह एवं महसूस होने देते थे हमें भाईचारा और कार्य साधना के सहज तरीके। आपूर्ति कभी नहीं हो पाती, श्री राउत सर जी के जैसे इंसान की सदा महसूस होती रहेगी। उनकी कमी रहेगी हमेशा सबके दिलों में स्मृति बनकर, खटकेगी उनकी गैर मौजूदगी आने वाले दिनों में। मगर करें भी क्या, सिर्फ और सिर्फ बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा और अपने आप से समझौता करना पड़ेगा। दुआ करेंगे सच्चे और संग दिल से कि उन्हें और उनके परिवार को परिपूर्ण स्वास्थ्य एवं समृद्धि के फूलों से हमेशा बरसा के रखने के लिए। अलविदा तो कह नहीं पाएंगे, क्योंकि अपेक्षा करते रहेंगे उनकी झलक हमेशा प्राप्त होने के लिए। मैं जितना जानता हूँ सर, आपको सबसे सलाह लेकर के मैं कुछ अपने से लिखा हूँ। अगर इसमें कुछ गलतियाँ हैं तो माफ कीजिए।
बहुत बढ़िया हिंदी लिखते हो
सर कभी बिजी रहो सर।
तो आपको हम लोग मिस करेंगे सर कल से, ऐसा बात नहीं है। तो आपके जो कामकाज के बारे में तो मैं नहीं जानता हूँ, कुछ बोल नहीं पाऊँगा। आप विजिलेंस में भी थे, तो यहाँ से मैं 2019
सुन रहा था। अरे कहाँ गए थे ना, बिजी रहो के पास गए थे। लगता है ना, अरे वो पूरा सबका खबर रखते हैं और वो अच्छा आदमी है। विजिलेंस इंस्पेक्टर बोला था, जो मांगते हैं जुगाड़ कर देते हैं।
ऐसा नहीं सर, काम तो करना पड़ेगा।
Sir, we all are agreed 100% with our Sangro who has said we are going to miss a man of simplicity in its true form from tomorrow. Well, as token of love, we have something from your side. Madam,
सर
ଆପଣ ବି
वाह बड़ा बड़ा
Hey, my associate Bhattacharya and all my OSS, commercial and statistics and costing. Actually, जितने बोले उतना है कि नहीं, I don't know. But I tried everywhere to manage the things. I have a feeling that whenever we hit between colleagues and with officers and yes, there is a loss for entire organization. I think that's why I always try to make it able, even if somebody has done very wrong things. I try to make him understand so that he will not commit the same in future. One thing. Second, I have a long career actually, gazetted and non-gazetted around 14 years and gazetted 21 years. I have covered 7 states and I am having 27 transfers and जैसे बोलते हैं ना, हर 2 साल को मैं छता पकड़ के रहता हूँ, लेकिन at last I feel lucky to be in the accounts department because here being a operating man, I was extremely relieved here because even being an officer in operating department, you are always called at night time, and I also they considered seeing my health. My health is something over now since last 2 years. Whatever that will be managed, and actually if I have told something, some hard words at some points, I have told. I have not told not that. I have also spoken some hard words to my fellows, but that is for the administration. And if people complain regarding SO, sometimes I may be clear. Whatever he is telling, he has a tendency not to punish anybody. Whatever he has done, whatever he has told, but he has a tendency not to punish anybody. Whatever he does, he will speak. I have observed him like this. And when a person do never want to punish anybody, and you forget whatever he speaks, that is for administration. That is not his personal talk. And whatever he is saying or he is doing is for running the office. Even if you will sit in that seat, you will have to do that, if not more or less also. And that's why even I have told some hard words to somebody. Even I was in morning, Prasad came to, I told him, भाई मिलजुल के रहना, तुम लोग आपस में कैसे ऑफिस के अंदर में लड़ाई लग जाता, नहीं होना चाहिए इसको, क्योंकि तुम्हारा तबीयत खराब हुआ, वो घर को दौड़ा तुम्हारा घर को, उसका तबीयत खराब हुआ, तुम भी गया था, मैं सब खबर लेता हूँ. अगर आई समटाइम्स कैन नॉट स्पीक डायरेक्टली, आई कीप इन्फॉर्म थ्रू आइदर सोनाली or through sometimes Ponda, and all maintain peace, and your SO will be going also after 2 years. And I hope your next officer may be Sonali. She is the fittest, I think, to head this department, I think, for him, after him. And I hope and all the praises are given when I often thrown among me, whatever. I am thankful to you all. And last 2 years I have spent very nicely here. And also not that I am having very regular talk like Kaning Rai, he never misses his justify. I have seen him last 2 years. Whatever his problem, his wife is bedridden for some time, his fracture, but he knows what is his responsibility. And all whenever all will feel your responsibility, that is not a railway work, that is all your personal work actually. Because it feeds us, no? We get, the administration only not takes the work, it feeds us. And whatever difference, whatever class, it is for administration and organization. To forget, once you leave the office, forget them. That is my request to you all, and run this office smoothly. And Rao Garu, I have seen him when that, 2 things I forgot to, the loss of 2 lives in statistics department. It was very pathetic. For Gupta, I could not give any time. He went and he admitted and he got. But for Mahapatra, I gave a lot of time, and even in midnight I disturbed her late night. I disturbed Saroj. He arranged some medicine through his brother, church brother, which was not available in Bhubaneswar. He requested his brother. His brother requested one medical man. He arranged that medicine, but we could not save it. That was a very bad time. She was crying. Actually, it gave also a great shock to me because he helped all the cremation of the Mr. Gupta. And now even I cannot accept that. How could God took him away? All were fearing, but whatever, we don't know the way of God, how He's working. And the commercial department, we have perhaps lost 2 or 3.
Sir, 2.
Be careful, COVID is still here among us. I was refusing to, we will not gather because still COVID is there. Thank you all. Thank you for this opportunity.